Good evening. Welcome.
Hi, do you have a table for two?
Yes, we have. Would you prefer indoors or near the window?
Near the window would be nice, if there's one available.
Let me check. Yes, you're in luck. We've got one.
Great.
Please come with me. Here you are.
This is a nice spot. Yeah, I like it.
Here's the menu. Take a look, and I'll be back in a few minutes.
Sounds good.
Enjoy your evening.
I'm starving. Me too. I skipped lunch today. Really? No wonder you're hungry. I couldn't finish my work in time. Everything on this menu looks good. Yeah, I'm already changing my mind every few seconds. Same here. I came in thinking I'd order pizza. And now? Now the pasta is tempting me. Let's see what they recommend before we decide. Have you had a chance to look at the menu? We're still looking. There are quite a few options. No problem. Take your time. What are you thinking of getting? Maybe the grilled sandwich? I was looking at the pasta, but the burgers also look tempting. Let's ask a couple of questions first. Yeah, that'll make it easier. Excuse me. Yes? Which dish is the most popular here? Our grilled sandwich and creamy pasta are both customer favorites. Is the pasta spicy? Not really. It's mildly seasoned. That's good. I don't usually eat very spicy food. What comes with the grilled sandwich? It comes with mashed potatoes and sauteed vegetables. That actually sounds good. Yeah, I'm leaning towards the grilled sandwich now. I think I'll go with the pasta. Would you like another minute? Or are you ready to order? We're almost ready. Just give us a moment, please. Of course, I'll be right back. Are you ready to order? Yes, we are. What would you like to have? I'd like the grilled sandwich, please. Certainly. And for you? I'll have the creamy pasta. Would you like the regular portion or the large one? The regular portion is fine. That's probably enough for him. Could I have the grilled sandwich with steamed vegetables instead of fries? Of course, I'll make a note of that. Can I also have extra cheese on my pasta? Sure, I'll add that to your order. So that's one grilled sandwich with steamed vegetables, one creamy pasta with extra cheese, and 2 glasses of fresh lime soda. That's right. Yes, that's everything. Your order should be ready in about 15 minutes. Sounds good. I'll bring your drinks in just a moment. Here you go. One grilled sandwich with steamed vegetables and one creamy pasta with extra cheese. Thank you. It looks really good. Enjoy your meal. The sandwich is really tender. Mine's good too. The sauce is really creamy. You made the right choice. I'm glad I asked about the pasta. Excuse me? Yes? Could we get another glass of water, please? Of course. I'll bring it right away. Here you are. Thanks. Is there anything else you need? No, we're good for now. All right, enjoy the rest of your meal. Excuse me. Yes? Could we have the bill, please? Certainly. I'll bring it in just a moment. Here you are. Thanks. That wasn't as expensive as I expected. Yeah, it's pretty reasonable. Can I pay by card? Of course. I'll be back in a moment. Thank you. Have a great evening. Thank you. The food was really good. I'm glad to hear that. See you next time. We'll be happy to see you again. Great job. Before you go, let's quickly review the most useful expressions from today's lesson. What comes with the grilled sandwich? Use this to ask what's included with a meal. Do you have a table for two? Use this when you arrive at a restaurant and need a table. Could I have steamed vegetables instead of fries? Use this when you want to replace one item with another. Could we get another glass of water, please? Use this to politely ask for something during your meal. Could we have the bill, please? Use this when you're ready to pay and leave the restaurant.